What's up everyone? I got a special gift idea for all of you today. We are remaking these oh so fabulous luxury rose arrangements that were made in beautiful containers all ready to be preserved. These beauties go for super expensive, and even these acrylic boxes alone can cost a lot of money, so I've decided to go to the thrift store and pick some beautiful glass vases up. This circular one cost me about $4, and then this square or rectangular one cost me only $2.50. So all we're gonna do is make that super nice and clean and free of any marks from our hands. And I'm just taking some Costco roses. It's probably the cheapest place for the quantity that you get. I got about 24 roses for only $20. So we're literally stripping these roses down. We're taking out all the leaves. We're going to take out the greenery around the rose, and then we're going to take out some of the petals from the outside so that our rose just looks really nice and clean. Go ahead and take one rose and measure how big you want the rose to stand up on your vase or your containers. I kind of like it with half of the rose bud sitting on top, so it totally depends on you. Cut each stem to the length that you want it to be, and then we can start putting all of our roses in our vase. Remember, these roses are meant to be preserved, and that's why people want to keep them in a really nice container like this so that you can have them for a very long time. So however way you want to style it, you can put it in there. Just remember that it is going to dry this way. So we're just going to be holding a couple of the roses up, and then you can actually go ahead and have the roses stand just like what I'm doing here, and they don't actually fall. It's very easy to hold up, and you're just going to fill all of the spaces with all the roses, and the tightness of the buds is literally what's going to hold up all of your flowers. Now for all the perfectionists out there like myself, I need all the stems to be straight. You know, similar to the acrylic boxes, they do have a hole that you can put the stems in, but because this one we don't have it, we need to make them all straight individually. I also like to have all the roses on the top be the same size as far as flatness, so we are just going to cut any of the stems that are longer and just make it super nice and clean. Now I know this DIY is very easy to follow and very straightforward, but you know what? You can make this gift idea pop even more just by customizing the label that you're going to be putting on the vase. So I'm just taking a label I found on Google and then putting that in PicMonkey. I'm putting a black rectangle on top of the words that were already there, and then I'm basically putting my own words, and these can be customized to anything that you want. I simply glued the paper on with a glue stick. It totally worked. Be sure to always put some water in your vase so that they last longer. These are so simple yet so elegant, and they make for the best presents. Be sure to comment down below if you like this tutorial, and be sure to be subscribed for more awesome DIYs like these ones. I'll see you later. Thanks for watching.